So we're here at Meridian Park. There goes my ride. Now it's just us in the wilderness. It's a beautiful morning. Frost all over the ground. Pretty clear skies. Here's some dark-eyed juncos. Ooh, there's one flying. Usually there's tons of juncos around this area on the trail. Hopefully we get some good birds this morning. It's like 30 degrees right now, so it's really cold. There's 2 resident bald eagles that live over here in a nest. Ooh. Here's some goldfinches. There's one flying over. Okay, there's quite a few birds. I think I hear a woodpecker. American tree sparrow. He's right on the edge of the I have no idea what that noise was. It almost sounded like a red-headed woodpecker, but that would be very rare. I think that noise definitely was a woodpecker though. Most of these are American tree sparrows and juncos. The last time I was here, I did see field sparrows, which aren't too common. Ooh, what's that guy right there? I see a bird right in here. Okay. Ooh. There's one right there. I didn't get a clear view. I think they moved over here. Can't get a clear shot with all these leaves in the way. Oh, there's one. By the way, all these weird noises I'm making, it's a technique called pishing, and it helps to attract birds. That's a downy woodpecker I just called, and that's another one. And then you can hear and see it over there as a white-breasted nuthatch in that tree. And then all the American tree sparrows calling in this small field. Couldn't get a shot of those American tree sparrows. Oop, some geese flying up from the river. Oh, hey chickadees. This is a pretty cool view right here. Over the river. Ooh, there's another sparrow right there. I don't know how I'm gonna get to him though. He flew away. This is a good spot to go down. Last time I was here, I saw the big bald eagle in the top of that tree, and I got some shots as he flew away. Northern flicker. And then in summertime, there will be dozens of tree swallows flying around this field. They've all headed south for the winter though. Up a little bit further in the trail, there's usually a lot of birds. Like fox sparrows and eastern bluebirds. I think those are American goldfinches, but they could have been pine siskins, so I should have taken a picture. Surprised there's not more birds out. I'm gonna go back and see if our American tree sparrows are still there. Oop. Some mallards down there. Oh. Cool. Here's a good lookout for the river. Don't step off of there. Juncos. Tufted tin mouse are spilling. If that wasn't proof that pishing works, then I don't know what is. This park usually has tons of crows flying over too. I bet all the frost is melted now. Oh, I think we have a bluebird on one of the houses. There's a bluebird on that house over there. Haven't seen any of the eagles yet. Red-bellied woodpecker flying over. I'm hearing some juncos and chickadees and American tree sparrows around here. Just gotta get close to one. Last time I was here, I also saw purple finches. And also deep in the forest over there, there's pileated woodpeckers that like to come really close to the ground. I can never seem to find the actual trail that goes in there, so I just walk through this. I think I just heard a golden crowned kinglet over here. Just a very brief call. Yeah, there's golden crowned kinglets above here. That's a golden crowned kinglet call. Yeah, right there. Oh, I see him. Right there. Oh, I want them to come lower. Oh, they're flying away. Another chickadee. Oh, they're right there. Oh. There's a brown creeper right here. Golden Milky. I have no idea what that noise is. What's going on over here? I have no clue what that is. I wonder if it was blue jays just making a weird noise. What in the world was that noise? Well, here we are back at the parking lot. We kind of just did one massive circle. Let's see how many people are here with us. None. That's what I like. Nice bench. Nice view. Might be time for a snack break. Well, my snack break is over. That was pretty good. There was a hairy woodpecker that was flying back and forth from the trees, and that was pretty cool. I think I still hear him over here calling. You can see the bald eagle nest pretty good from over here. Pretty cool. They're massive. The bald eagles will come back to the same nest every year and build onto it, and it keeps getting bigger and bigger. Ooh, looks like some crows harassing a red-tailed hawk over there. Way in the distance. I'll try to get a picture. Yeah, they're behind trees. I hear that same hairy woodpecker. Pretty cool pond back here. Looks like we've reached the end. My ride will be here soon. That'll be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.